Hi everybody, this is part 2 of the goat farm in Derry, and I just wanted to show you guys I have all these little stickers up. This one says the Goat Locker U.S. Navy Chief. That's pretty cool. And this is another one that's pretty cool. I realize I got a new surfboard for my wife. Best trade I ever made. Isn't that cool, guys? I should make a shirt out of that one. That's cool. And this is part of their farm here, out here. We walk back here and we have a Surf Goat Dairy. We got the ram over there. Good little place. This is the place where I told you guys to have all the surfboards over here. And they have a place where you can go in and touch them. You have kids. This is a good place to bring your young kids, and they get to play with the goats and feed the goats here. And they say you can get pictures here too, and you can stand up like you're surfing on the boards. And sometimes they bring the goats out here. Makes it really nice to look at. Pretty cool. I gotta tell you, it's really a cool place. You're outside, you don't have to wear your mask. If you go inside any place, you have to wear a mask. This is where the goats are penned, inside there. Little dark shadows. Everybody has things to sell, t-shirts, hats, things like that. This is all an area they had put up, but you can sit down and order things out of the cafe and eat stuff. So it's pretty cool. Nice farm. It's up in there. It's up on just the little hills and stuff. Total goats, 154 goats. This is their fields out here with their goats. It's a good thing to come up and see if you're here. They have all kinds of real neat things to see. We have all these surfboards out. Surfboard Goat Dairy. Pretty cool. Another one here. Come to their little shop here. They have, this is all made goats. I got to show you.
Good idea.
They have what's in here, things you can buy. There's Sandy.
Hi there.
Hi
How
there.
are you guys?
Good. How are you?
Good, really good. Thank you.
If you need a cheese list or any help, just let us know.
Okay, thank you so much.
We like that. But you come in here and spend time here and look at all this stuff. They're reasonable prices at these. Mugs $30, glasses $12.
Thank you.
Mugs 10. Like I said, we got magnets for 5. And here's the little price sheet. Single is $3. A boxes of 6 is 15. A box of 12 is 28. You guys gotta come and see this place. Don't pass it up to come to Maui. It's one of the places you should come and see and enjoy it. Yeah.
What I got.
Have fun here, guys, and come and see it. They would love to have the visitors here. Okay? We always have to come here every year we come.